Well, 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 what do we have here? It's another delicious breadboard. As you can see, this light right here is a 0. It's because all of my inputs at the side here are set to 0. Now then, if I set it to 0, 0, 0, 1, it's still a 0. Now 0, 0, 1, 0 is a 0. 0, 0, 1, 1 is still a 0. And that leads us to 0, 1, 0, 0, which is still a 0. 0, 1, 0, 1 is a 0. 0, 1, 1, 0 is a 0. But here's where things get interesting, because 0, 1, 1, 1 is actually a 1. Now that we finally ran into a 1, it's time to run into another 0. 1, 0, 0, 0 is another 0. And now, we basically go through that whole loop again, only this is now a 1. So 1, 0, 0, 1 is a 1. 1, 0, 1, 0 is a 1. 1, 0, 1, 1 is a 1. And 1, 1, 0, 0 is a 1. 1, 1, 0, 1 is a 1. 1, 1, 1, 0 is a 1. And 1, 1, 1, 1 is a 1. That's the entire truth table.